WeatherTech heavy duty kind of custom molded premium mats, same thing with Husky liners, versus your Amazon kind of bargain brand competitor. We've got the low end of the price range here, we've got the high premium range, and we're going to compare which one gives you the most bang for buck, which one's worth the money on our GX460 that's brand new to us. Let's get into it. All right, so we have a new to us GX460. It's a 2020 behind us. And anytime we buy a new vehicle, one of the first things we want to do is get some nice mats in there and protect that interior. Historically, we always go with these heavy-duty WeatherTechs. And it doesn't mean we won't go with them again, but in the meantime, while we were waiting for these to come in, we picked up kind of a bargain brand Amazon version. And it actually did pretty well, surprisingly, for the time that we used it. And so, looking at them at a glance, I want to show these things to you guys so that you can make your choice and figure out why is it that something like this for a set of 4 front and rear costs $250 on this vehicle, but something like these cost 80, 88 bucks for the vehicle. And then you can decide, hey, is it really worth all the extra protection and the ruggedness and heavy dutiness of this product, or can you get away with something like this and it do 90% of the job? So first we're gonna go cheap. This is a random brand from Amazon. It looked like it would fit in the pictures, so we bought this one. Right away, you can tell it's very, very flexible. It's a lighter material. It is not very deep, so anything splashing would definitely fall out of this mat. It does have the locking holes, so you can get this thing to lock into place so it stops it from sliding. I like that. It stylishly looks decent, like it's a good looking mat. The biggest thing is what you're gonna notice is it doesn't have any protection on the sides, on that front edge, and it is not nearly as custom as the more premium WeatherTech. So I'm gonna lift this one up here. You can see this one has very deep channels, and one thing I want you to notice is these channels dip back here, and this becomes almost like a deeper tray. And so anytime you're walking in with like snow on your boots or whatever, that water is gonna now find its channels and work its way back into the deeper area, which I like that a lot. And that'll collect the water and then it dries out, or you can dump it out. The other thing is your side protection. It's going up all the way on the side walls. It's going over your door sill. It's sliding way past the pedal. And so you're getting way more protection. And then this material, though flexible, it is not nearly as flexible as this mat. So it's much more heavy duty, way more resistant to getting, a puncture or even burned or something crazy happening to this. It's gonna definitely last longer. If you look at the back of this one, there is nothing here to grip into the actual carpet, right? If you look at the back of this one, you've got your locks, so you can lock it into place just like this one does, but you also have some grip. And then you have a lot of structural rigidity to this mat, and I really like that as well. Now, I have not dirtied these a ton, so I don't know how stainable they are or how much they clean, but I do know WeatherTechs, and I've used them in almost every vehicle I've had for the last like 10 years. And for the most part, I've not really found a situation where I couldn't get the stain out of these, especially if you clean them, every couple weeks or whatever. So I really, really like these. We're gonna kind of put them in the vehicle, show you guys some shots, and get kind of our first impressions. But the debate here is, do you need to spend 250 bucks on your mats? And I think the biggest difference for me is if I'm buying a 8-year-old vehicle or something, and the interior already has stains, and I can't really protect it that much anyway, then I might as well save some money and get a custom fitting mat that does the job, and that's probably good enough. I think if I'm buying a new vehicle or like anything like 3 years old or newer, what I would say is it's probably worth protecting and spending the money on to go up to this premium style mat and get way more protection. And it'll be a lot easier to clean in the future, and if you have kids, these kind of mats are great, but really any mat is gonna be your best friend. So I think those are the biggest differences on what's going to decide it for you. In this case, it's a 2020. The interior is in really good condition. I do want to protect it. And so we live in Indiana, lots of snow. We also travel a lot, road trip a lot. We always have junk in the car. There's tons of opportunities for us to mess up our interior. And so we've had really good experiences running mats right from the beginning. So we want to get these mats in there. But I want to compare the fitment and kind of give you guys an idea of what the difference is. All right, first up, we're gonna put the Amazon kind of bargain brand mat inside. It looks pretty good. You'll notice it does cover the door sill a little bit there. It does go up the wall just a hair. It wraps around this kind of foot stop there, but it doesn't really, protect up those sidewalls, and it doesn't go that far past the pedal there. But it looks nice and definitely fits, and it's definitely meant for the vehicle. So, I mean, I don't think you would be unhappy with it at first impression, at least. All right, now we're gonna drop in the Weathertech. And as you can see, basically what you're looking at is almost 50% coverage of the door sill here. It's got a tub effect kind of coming up the contours even by the seat. You've got a tub effect going up the sidewalls here on the side. It actually covers the actual footwell entirely, so you're keeping that clean, and then it goes way past the front pedals. And it also looks way more upscale. I would say the materials are clearly better looking even, but the retention on the actual locks here, it's much tighter, much more fitted to the vehicle. But for the money you're paying, this is what you would expect. But I really like how it looks. I mean, it really adds actually to the look of the vehicle. So now we've dropped in the Amazon brand mats into here, and you can see this doesn't quite line up perfectly. Even if I push this all the way down, then it kind of pops up on the other side towards the middle there. But it does give you decent coverage. It does look decent. And what I will say is these mats are also two separate pieces, whereas the Weathertech came as one. So when I pull this out, you're gonna see it's actually a 2/3, and then the other side is a single mat that I guess goes underneath. All right, so we're sliding in the Weathertech. There we go. And as you can see, it does not pop up like the other one did. You've got a nice tub effect on this back side, even towards the seat. It slides deep underneath the front seat. It even goes over the plastic kind of molding underneath the seat rails there. And it shoots back there, tucks over with pretty much no gaps anywhere. It's a very sharp looking mat. It's a no-brainer for the back seats, especially as one piece. There's way less chance of stuff falling between the cracks and getting underneath this mat. Again, Weathertech with the fit and form, it's tough to beat. All right, so for us, what we're doing is we're gonna go with these Weathertechs. We really wanna protect the inside of this vehicle. It's also a premium vehicle, it's a Lexus. So to me, it's worth the extra protection. I feel weird putting a cheaper mat in a fairly expensive vehicle. But if it was like a base model vehicle or something like that, and to be honest, for most vehicles, this mat will do the job pretty well. We do beat up our vehicles, so I feel better with the deeper kind of tub effect that this mat provides. And I also like its custom look. I think it's just gonna make the vehicle the interior last a whole lot longer. And so we'll be going with these Weathertechs. But I will say these dramatically surprised me, and I'm way more open-minded to other types of mats now, especially as long as they're still custom fit to some extent to your vehicle, so they can protect a little bit better than just like a normal pickup that you would get at Walmart or something. I think there's something there, and they're definitely coming up, but it's very clear as day which mat, technology went into. I mean, Weathertech is on point right here. There's also like Husky liners and other brands as well, competitors if you don't like Weathertech, but I haven't really had bad experiences with them. So for us, no brainer, Weathertech on this one. But hey, if you pick something like this, I don't think you're gonna be unhappy with it, to be honest. Thanks for watching.